Hi beautiful, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I fill in my eyebrows. For me, they are the most important feature on your face because they really give your face shape. So I will go through step by step so you can easily recreate this at home. This technique works for whatever product you like to use, so a pomade, a pencil, or a powder. First of all, you want your eyebrows to be trimmed because if they are not, it will not be a clean final look. Before applying any product, what I like to do is to look at the tail of the brow to look where it should stop. So take any brush, and what you want to do is to place this where your nose stops and the corner of your eyes, so around here. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade for my brows. I'm also going to use a bit of powder after that to set everything. But for clients, I like to use a pencil or a powder. So use whatever product you prefer. I always start by brushing my hair up, so I know where I have little holes in my brow. I always take a little product at a time, and especially a pomade, because if you put too much, it can look crazy. I want to do a straight line from here to here. If you have little holes in your eyebrows like me, what you want to do with your product is to go the opposite sides so that the product really sits on the skin. I put almost no product around that area because that's where you want it to be the lightest. After my line is done, my straight line from here to here, I go a little bit of the tail of my brow, but I'm gonna perfect that area after. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I just go up to blend everything together. After each step, I like to go through my brows with the spoolie. Again, it helps to blend everything together. So then I'm brushing my hair down. Again, I'm gonna start over here. And around that area where the arch of your brow is, you want to round it a little bit. And for me, on this area, I don't have a lot of hair, so I have to put more product. When I do my line over here for the tail, I'm really doing a straight line. Then I brush again. With whatever is left on my brush, I will go lightly on the front of my brow, just to blend everything. The tail of your brow should always be the darkest and over here the lightest. When this is done, I like to go over with the powder. The one I'm using is from Cosmetics. It's actually an eyeshadow. I'm putting just a little at a time and starting from the tail of my brow. Adding a powder really helps to set the pomade I've just put in, and will also fit in any part that I've missed. So it's really brown everywhere. Just go over here Just a little. For me, on this brow, I have a little hole in the front, so I have to put a little bit of powder here to fit it in. So you really have to work with what you have. So the final step is very important, is to set your eyebrows with eyebrow gel. Mine is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like using a clear brow gel better than a tinted one, because it doesn't change the color of your eyebrows. With the gel, I'm really placing where I want my eyebrow hair to go, because they will stay that way all day long. Your eyebrows would also look a little bit more natural, because when the gel is on, you can actually see the little hairs again. I would like to know what products works for your brows. Tell me in the comments below if there's an amazing product I need to try. My first video was how to do my go-to makeup looks. If you want to learn more about makeup, you can click the video around here. My next video will be about how to do a natural makeup look under 10 minutes with every makeup basics you should know. So if you want to learn about that, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!